we're going to cut off all trade with Spain. We don't want anything to do with Spain.
Dismayado si US President Donald Trump sa pagtanggi sa kanyang pakiusap kaugnay ng ginagawa nitong pagsugpo sa Iranian attacks. Kasabay ng pakikipagpulong nito kay German Chancellor Friedrich Merz, inihayag ni Trump ang kanyang direktiba kay US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent na putulin ang anumang ugnayang pangkalakalan sa Spain. Kasunod ito ng pagtanggi ng Spain na ipagamit ang kanilang base militar upang makaposisyon ang US sa pag-atake sa Iran.
Spain has been terrible. In fact, I told Scott to cut off all dealings with Spain. Spain, first of all, it started when every European nation, at my request, paid 5%, which they should be doing. And everybody was enthusiastic about it, Germany, everybody. And Spain didn't do it. And now Spain actually said that we can't use their bases, and that's all right. We could use their base if we want. We could just fly in and use it. Nobody's going to tell us not to use it, but we don't have to. But they were unfriendly, and so I told him we don't want to. Spain has absolutely nothing that we need.
Nauna nang nanindigan ng Spain sa posisyon nito na negosasyon at de-escalation ng gulo ang nais nito upang maresolba ang gulo sa Middle East. Ayon kay Spain Minister of Foreign Affairs Jose Manuel Alvarez, nananatili ang kanilang paniniwala na marapat pa ring sundin ang international law.
España defiende la desescalada, la negociación y el derecho internacional. No podemos resignarnos a que la guerra sea la forma natural de relacionarse y de establecer un equilibrio de poder en Oriente Medio.
Ang US ang ika-6 sa pinakamalaking export destination ng Spanish products at ito rin ang ika-2 sa pinakamalaking trading partners nito sa labas ng European Union. Jovic Bermas, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.